In today's video, we're diving into some of IKEA's most stylish and functional products. First up on our list is the TÄRNABY table lamp, a charming piece that channels a nostalgic, vintage vibe with its design inspired by traditional oil lamps. What makes this lamp truly stand out is its ability to evoke warmth and coziness in any room it's placed in. The combination of brass details and a soft glowing bulb-shaped shade creates a welcoming, intimate light that works beautifully in any space. The lamp features a dimmable switch, allowing you to adjust the brightness depending on you. The UPPDATERA storage box, a small but incredibly useful addition to your organizational toolkit. Measuring 6¼ by 9½ by 6 inches, this compact box is perfect for keeping your drawers or shelves tidy and your smaller items neatly sorted. Next on the list is the sleek and sophisticated ÄSKMULLER table lamp. This piece is ideal for anyone who loves modern, minimalist design. The ÄSKMULLER features a clean, cylindrical base and a neutral-colored lampshade, which together create a look that is both elegant and understated. The design is minimal but by no means boring. The beauty of this lamp lies in its simplicity. The smooth lines and unfussy silhouette allow it to blend seamlessly into any room, from contemporary living rooms to modern home offices. The light it provides is soft yet effective, diffused by the lampshade to create a calming ambiance. It's perfect for those moments when you want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the space around you without harsh lighting. This lamp excels in providing the right amount of light for reading, working, or just adding that extra bit of warmth to your room. Its minimalist design also makes it a versatile choice. ÄSKMULLER can easily complement any interior style, from Scandinavian chic to urban modern. Next, we have the PIGGRÖR duvet cover and pillowcase set, the ultimate bedding for adding a pop of personality to your bedroom. This set features a vibrant, playful pattern that brings a touch of creativity and fun to your sleep space. The MÄVINN rug is a beautiful, eco-friendly addition to any home, offering both style and sustainability. Hand-woven from natural jute, each rug is unique, with slight variations in texture and color that add to its artisanal charm. The rustic, earthy look of MÄVINN brings a warm, organic feel to any room. The ÄRSTID table lamp is a timeless classic, and this new release keeps the tradition alive with a few fresh updates. ÄRSTID is all about understated elegance and refined design. With its slender metal base and fabric lampshade, this lamp provides a soft, diffused light that transforms any room into a cozy, inviting space. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even a hallway console table, where it can act as a welcoming accent. One of the standout features of the ÄRSTID lamp is its versatility. It suits traditional homes just as well as modern interiors. The simple fabric shade softens the light, making it ideal for creating a calming atmosphere in spaces where relaxation is key. Whether you need ambient lighting for a living area or a bedside light for winding down, this lamp adds sophistication without overwhelming the decor. Its classic look ensures it will remain a staple in your home for years to come. Plus, the variety of finishes available means you can find the perfect match for your personal style, whether that's a sleek metallic look or a more traditional finish. The HÖKRUBBA basket with lid takes storage to another level by adding a touch of elegance to natural materials. Like the SNOPLOG, it's hand-woven from sustainable materials, but it has a sleeker, more refined look that makes it ideal for those who want their storage solutions to be as stylish as their decor. The lid fits snugly over the basket, making it a great option for storing smaller household items, whether it's remotes, chargers, or craft supplies. Its compact size and neutral color palette mean it can work in almost any room, helping you keep clutter at bay while also serving as a decorative accent. What's great about HÖKRUBBA is that it adds a warm, organic texture to your space without feeling bulky or out of place. If you're looking for multifunctional furniture, the HAVSTA nesting tables are a fantastic option. This set of 2 tables offers versatility and style in one compact package. With their clean lines and sturdy design, these nesting tables are perfect for smaller spaces or for those who enjoy a more flexible living area. You can use them together to create a tiered look or separately as side tables, nightstands, or even as extra seating when you have guests over. The DEJSA table lamp is a chic and modern lighting solution with a sleek, minimalist design that emphasizes simplicity and form. The lamp's frosted glass dome softly diffuses the light, providing a warm, even illumination, perfect for creating a calming ambiance in bedrooms, living rooms, or workspaces. Its smooth, rounded shape and matte glass finish give it a sophisticated sculptural appearance that can serve as both a functional light source and a stylish decor piece. With its simple elegance and neutral tones, the DEJSA is a versatile lamp that complements a wide range of interior styles, from modern Scandinavian to more eclectic or industrial spaces. The SNOPLOG basket with lid is a beautifully crafted storage solution made from natural materials that add a rustic and organic feel to your home. The hand-woven design is both sturdy and decorative, providing an elegant way to organize items in any room. The tightly fitting lid keeps clutter out of sight, making it ideal for storing blankets, magazines, toys, or any household essentials. Its neutral tones and earthy texture ensure that it complements a wide range of decor styles, from bohemian and coastal to modern rustic. This basket is not only functional, but also an aesthetic addition to living rooms, bedrooms, or even bathrooms, offering a blend of practicality and natural beauty. The SPIKSMED Open Shelf Unit is a stylish and functional storage solution that works beautifully in a variety of spaces. With its sleek, open design, this shelf unit is ideal for showcasing your favorite books, plants, or decorative items, while keeping your space organized and clutter-free. Made from durable, high-quality materials, SPIKSMED combines form and function, offering plenty of storage without taking up too much floor space. The open-top version of the HÖKRUBBA basket is just as beautiful as its lidded counterpart, but it offers a bit more versatility. Without the lid, this basket is perfect for storing larger items that you want easy access to, such as blankets, laundry, or magazines. Its hand-woven design gives it a rustic, artisanal feel, making it a standout piece even when it's full of everyday items. The natural fibers and neutral tones mean it works well in any setting, from a modern minimalist living room to a more eclectic or boho chic space. This basket is not just a storage solution, it's a piece of decor that brings warmth and texture into your home. Its open-top design makes it easy to toss in items for quick storage, making it practical for busy households. Whether you place it in the living room, bedroom, or even the bathroom, the HÖKRUBBA basket helps you stay organized while adding an organic, handmade feel to your space. Finally, we have the HÖSTAGILLE artificial wreath, a beautiful and hassle-free way to add a touch of nature to your home. This wreath is designed to mimic the look of real foliage, but with none of the maintenance. Ideal for the autumn season, the HÖSTAGILLE wreath features a mix of lifelike greenery, soft autumnal colors, and a natural, rustic vibe that brings warmth to any space. The SNOPLOG basket without the lid is another versatile and stylish storage option from Ikea's latest collection. This open-top basket is perfect for organizing larger items like pillows, throws, or children's toys, while its natural hand-woven design brings a rustic charm to your home. Made from durable, eco-friendly materials, the SNOPLOG basket is as practical as it is beautiful. It's great for those who want a decorative storage piece that doesn't overwhelm the room but still provides plenty of function. The neutral color and simple design mean it will fit into a variety of interior styles, from coastal and bohemian to modern and minimalist. Place it in the living room, bedroom, or hallway to keep your space tidy while adding a bit of natural texture to the decor. We have the HÖSTAGILLE pie plate, a must-have for anyone who loves to bake. This pie plate combines classic design with modern functionality, offering even heat distribution for perfectly baked pies, tarts, or quiches every time. Its simple, elegant design makes it suitable for both baking and serving, allowing you to take your creations straight from the oven to the table. That wraps up our look at these amazing IKEA finds. Whether you're looking to brighten up your space or organize your home, these pieces offer both style and practicality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips. See you in the next one.